virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn mathematics of standard 5th. The topic is addition and subtractions. Yes students, whenever we need the total expenditure or any total number of articles, then we go for addition, right? And when we need the difference, when we want to find out the difference between the expenditure or any used and unused things, we go for subtractions, isn't it? Now students, you know how to add and how to subtract the numbers that is up to 4 digits. Okay, now today we will learn the addition and subtraction of numbers of 6 digits and 7 digits. Addition with carrying over. Here two sums are there. We will take a revision by making these two sums. Okay. Concentrate on the first one. Here we start from unit place. Okay, here 6 plus 5 is 11. Right. Now what we do? 1 we will write in the unit place and 1 that will carry over to the tens place. You know this, correct? Now we are going to add the numbers in the tens column. That is 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 we will write in the tens column and 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Now we will add the numbers in hundreds column. That is 1 plus 7 plus 4 is nothing but 12. That is 2 we will write here. 1 is carried to the thousands place and here nothing is there in the thousands place. So 1 comes down. The answer is 1231. Okay. Now we will do one more sum here. Again we will move to the units place. 7 plus 8 is 15. Correct. 5 we will write here. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now 1 plus 6 plus 6, that is 6 to the 12 plus 1, that is 13. 3 we will write down and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now here 1 plus 5 plus 7, that is 13. So 3 we will write down and 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Now we will add the numbers in the thousands column. That is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but 8. The answer is 8335. Yes students. Now here we have taken 7-digit number. Now same thing, we will start from unit place. 8 plus 8 means 8 to the 16. So 6 we will write down and 1 in the tens place, that is carried over. Now here 1 plus 5 plus 5 is nothing but 11. Right? 1 we will write, 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Then here 1 plus 7 plus 5 is 13. So 3 here, 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Then 1 plus 8 plus 7, that is 16. 6 we will write down and 1 is carried over to the 10,000s place. Again here 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. No carried over because only single digit is there. So we are writing that number in 10,000s place. Now we will move to the left. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 we will write down and 1 is again carried over to the 10 lakhs place. Now here 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. Correct? Got this, children? Now how to read this? We combine or we take together the lakhs place and we take together thousands place while reading or while writing the number in words. Now how to read this? 80 lakhs 96,316. Got this? Once again, 80 lakh 96,316. Now arrange vertically and add. Vertically means in the standing position. We have to write the numbers one below the other. Okay, we'll start. Now first we will take here unit tens, hundreds and thousand. Now the first number is 456. We will start writing from the units place. Then the second number is 8095. See dear students, like this you have to write. Always you have to start from the units place. Then only 76 is given. See how to write. 76 is written under tens and units place. Now we will put addition marks. Now the method is same here also. How to add? We will start from unit place. That is 6 plus 5 plus 5. Sorry, 6 plus 5 plus 6. That is 17. 6 to the 12 plus 5, 17. 7 we will write down and 1 is carried over. Then here 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7. Yes, it is 22. 2 we will write down and 2 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now 2 plus 4 plus 0 is 6 and here 8 will come down. So the answer is 8,627. This is called vertical arrangement, means standing arrangement. Okay. Now student, this is the another method, that is horizontal arrangement or arrange horizontally and add. See, the number is given. I have taken the smaller number. Next we will move to the bigger number. What is the meaning of horizontally? Horizontally means in the sleeping position. See this. Okay, we will do one sum. Here I will make the table so that it will become easy for you to understand. Units place, tens place, hundreds place. Now we will write number 385 plus again table, unit place, hundreds, tens place, hundreds place, 5, 4, 6 is equal to, again we will make a table here. We will write first units place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay, now we will start the addition. How to add? If we write like this, students, again the same thing we have to carry out here because we are doing the addition. We will start the addition from unit place. See this. Whatever there in the units place, that we have to add first. That is 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, we will write the same thing in the unit place first. 1 we will write here. 1 is carried over to the tens place. Please see here I have written 1 below 8 to remember. Okay, the next is tens place. See this, 8 plus 1 plus 4. Not to forget that 1. Okay, then what is the answer? 13. 3 we will write in the tens place and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now we will move to the hundreds place. What is there? 3 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, means it is 9. Where we will write? We will write in the hundreds place. Remember this. Okay. We will take this. Now we will start 9. Again we will start from the unit place. Okay, I will not write here unit tens, hundred, thousands. We have to remember the place. Okay, first 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 I will write in the unit place, see there, and 1 is carried over on the on or above the 3 I have written here. Okay, now 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9. The next number is 6 and 9 in the hundreds place. So that is 15. 5 I will write here and 1 on above the 5. Then 5 plus 1 plus 7, that is 13. Total I will write here. What is the answer here? 13,591. Got this, children? One more we will take here. Again same thing. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 8 plus 1 plus 4 is 13. 6 plus 9 plus 1 is 16. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. And whatever remained, that is 1. So here, what is the answer? That is 1,66,320. Yes, students, I hope you understood about the addition clearly. Now we will move to subtraction. Here number is there. We have to subtract the below number from the above number. Very easy it is. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, one more sum we will try. Here again we will start from units place. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, you know this. I have taken this as a revision. Now we will move to the next sum. Arrange vertically and subtract. You know, students, vertically means we will write the numbers one below the other. This is a 7-digit number. First we will write the digits in the proper columns. Now we will start from units place and we will move up to 10 lakh place. Okay, we will write the second number below the first number. See? Okay, now we have written both the numbers. Now we will start subtraction. Again we start from unit place. Now dear students, in the unit place 3 is above and 6 is below. Means we have to minus 6 from 3. Now is it possible? No, because 3 is smaller number and 6 is bigger number. Now what we will do? We will borrow from tens place. Yes, 3 borrows 1 10 from tens place and here 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. We know that because 13 is bigger than 6. Okay. Now we'll move to tens place. Here 3 minus 8 again not possible. So it borrows from hundreds place. Here 8 becomes 7. So here 3 tens becomes 13 tens. So we can easily minus 8 tens from 13 tens, that is 5 tenths. Correct? Now here in the hundreds place 700 minus 5 is 2. Okay, in the thousands place 7 minus 5 again it is easy, that is 2. Then here 10,000s place 0 minus 2 again not possible, it borrows from 5, that is lakhs place. So here it becomes 4 and here in 10,000s place it became 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, isn't it? Now we will move to the lakhs place. Here 4 lakh minus 9 lakh not possible. So again it borrows from 10 lakhs place, that is 6 becomes 5 and here 14 lakh minus 9 lakh we will get 5 lakhs. Okay, and the last column, that is 10 lakh column, 5 is there, so 5 remained. So how to read this? 55 lakhs 82,257. Got this, children? Now one more sum is there. This is a mixed sum. It has plus also and it is minus also. Means both operations are there, addition and subtraction. Yes, students, like this sum if we get, then we have to do addition first, means whichever sign is there first, that we have to carry out first, then to the next sum we have to move. Now first one is 3,49,746 plus 6,52,014. We are going to add these two numbers. Here 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 7 here. 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 10. So 1 carry over. Then 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. So we got the answer, that is 10,01,760. When we add these two numbers we got the answer. From that answer we have to minus the third number. So I will write the same number here, minus 3,46,421. Now we will do subtraction here. 0 minus 1 not possible. So here 10, you know that how to borrow from the left hand side. 10 minus 1, 9. Now here 5 minus 2, that is 3. 7 minus 4, 3. Again 1 minus 6 not possible. It became 11 minus 6, 5. Now dear students, see here 0 is there, but here 9. When we borrow from the left hand side, here we got 11 here, means 0 got 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Again here 0 is there, means there is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Got this? This is the answer. Here 1 is not there in the above number because we borrowed. Correct? Now, so the answer for this solution is 6,55,339. Okay? Yes, dear students, you must have to practice addition and subtraction so that you can easily do the sums with your proper speed. Okay, practice is must. Okay. Thank you, students. Now students, please try to solve problem set 8, 9 and 10 from your textbook on page number 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Please practice. Okay. And take care. Thank you. Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.